I'm making my poor man's version of a lobster roll, which is shrimp salad on a lovely toasted roll. Let me show you how I do it. Poaching some thawed raw shrimp in about 2 quarts of water with a couple bay leaves, a big squeeze of lemon, some peppercorns and salt. It came to a boil, so I'm going to actually turn the heat off and take my raw defrosted shrimp. Just place them in and put the lid back on. Just let them poach for about, let's say 3 to 5 minutes so they're a nice bright pink and the perfect doneness. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes and I have a tray that I've had in the refrigerator. It's nice and cold, a couple of pieces of paper toweling on it, and I'm just gonna remove the shrimp and place them on this tray to let them stop cooking and cool. They've really kind of brightened up and they've gotten a little bit curled, so I know that they're done. Nice and firm. This is a nice gentle way of cooking shrimp in case you're going to use it in something else. I'm going to use it in this shrimp salad. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of fresh chives and dill and half a cup of diced celery, a little lemon, salt and pepper, and I already measured out in this bowl half a cup of sour cream and half a cup of mayo. All right, let's put it together. Okay, we'll just finish up the sauce first. So into our sour cream and mayo, I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of both salt and pepper, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of dill, and the same of chives, all chopped up nice and small. And like I said, about a half cup of diced celery. And then from there, we're just gonna chop up our shrimp and add them in as well. I'm just taking each of the shrimp and cutting them into about 1/4 inch pieces, nice bite-sized pieces, about 2 to 3 knife strokes just straight through. Okay, we'll just get our pound of shrimp straight into the dressing mixture. I'm also going to give it a squeeze of lemon over top, about half of a lemon, a good tablespoon or 2, and give that a mix up. You can certainly serve this just on like a leaf of lettuce. My aunt loves to do that, but I like serving it in a toasted roll, split top bun. I think it looks really great. Reminds me of that lobster roll, but a much more economical price. Okay, I have some toasted split top buns. Again, I have hot dog buns that are split right across the top. Love them. So I toasted mine in the toaster oven, or you can put them under the broiler. Nice scoop of our shrimp salad. If you want a couple leaves of beautiful lettuce, I have a couple here. I'll do a little bit of that too. Not too much. And then just a nice dollop of our shrimp salad across the top. Oh, so delicious. Simple shrimp salad on a roll. I hope you try this at home, and I hope you enjoy.